I got a signal in here. I kicked off the lease and it's right on top. It's like right around 40. Might be a shotgun shell, but I don't know. I'll get it out of there and I'll see. I already pinpointed it, but it's in clay, so I'm gonna have to hit it with the shovel once here. I'll get back and show you later. That was jumping all. I got a good find. Just say that. I'm on a roll, folks. But there was a nail in there, and look, just digging this up. Old, like, stoneware plate. It looks like an old cut nail, and it's a hand-forged one. And I found, this is a pre-Civil War site, clear up into the 1890s. But I got a horse head, and it's metal. It was right in around that nail. It's right here. You can see it. Oh, man. I don't know what this is. It might even be a cat. I don't know, but that is awesome. It's probably pewter. Oh man, folks. Oh man, this is cool. These people had money too. I'll see if I can find a buckle I found up here in one of my previous videos. It's like a little, I think it's a pant buckle up for a woman, like a knee buckle, and it says Paris, and it's dated 1870 or 1860 on the back. It's real nice for coming out of the ground. Now this. And I found 1870s Indian head cents up here. I'll get this cleaned up at the house, and we'll see what this is. This is nice. You know, it's pre-1900. I would say it's from around the Civil War, before from the other stuff up here. I don't know. It's old. Later. Alright, there's a foundation right behind me. I'm on a logging trail, and this is the best signal I've had. You can see it's 83 to 86. It's dropping down, but I'll get this out. This could be a coin. Could be a silver coin, but I'd say it's copper, but I don't know. It's jumping between both, so let me get it out of there. Alright, after I got dirt out, it's ringing up mid-80s, and I'm off of it. It's right here in this wall. I'm going to give it a shovel because this is hard clay. I'm pulling out pieces of salt glazed crock, and there's brick pieces in here. Man, I should excavate this site. It's loaded. Later, I'll get this out. Show you. This is looking pretty good. I got it out, and it's round. That's why it was, and it looks like a gold gilt button. I'm hoping. Let me pop this open. Man, I'm having a good day up here already. See if I can pop this right off here. It's definitely some kind of a gold gilt button. Look at the back of it. It's got gold gilt all over it. I'll get it the rest of the way cleaned off. It's an old button, man, and look at all the gold gilt still on that. You can see it coming through there. I'll have to, oh, look at it. It's probably going to even say something back here. Wow. I don't know if it has anything on the front. I cannot tell, but I will get this cleaned up on cleanup. Another good find. Later. Man, look at that gold gilt. Later. Man, I got another good find. I heard something, there's iron in here, but I heard a high tone. I think this was high 70s, and it says stuff on it. This might be, it's some kind of button, I think, and it's got writing on it, so we're going to be able to figure out what it is. It's got something on it too, so this is cool. I'll get it cleaned up on cleanup, folks. Later. Yeah, it's starting to rain on me. That's why I didn't go to the river. But I'm getting some cool little relics. You know what this is? And man, that's in good condition for coming out of the ground. Still turns. That's off an old, like, oil lamp. That's the wick. It's very cool. I think it would have went like that and the wick would have come out the top there. Very cool old relic. Probably from around the Civil War. Later. Look at this. I just got another oil lamp piece in here. And this could even have names and stuff on it. I don't know. But man, that thing even still turns. 2 of them in one trip. Man. Later, folks. Alright, I got a big piece of flat iron here starting to come out. You can see where I'm at. Prime spot, way out in the middle of the woods. Old foundations. This could be a big hinge or something. I don't know. Yep, that's what it is. It's a big old hinge, probably off some of this stuff, and that's hand forged. I'm gonna take that, clean it up. It's definitely hand forged. Later. Alright, you can see down this path here in the woods. Right out there is the river. Right there, it's the river, the Ohio River. Clear up on top of one of these hills. I'm just leaving. That horse was the find of the day, and I'll see what that other button says, but not bad, not bad. I wanted to do something different today. I've got all the places looked out on the river. Maybe I'll hit it in a day or so. Later. Alright, while I'm up here, I thought I better show you some more stuff. There's more ruins here in the woods. Let's see, I think right up here's a well. Yeah, right here. You can see the big stone platform. It's fallen down. It was up here. I found some real old mason jars in here. I think they were keeping milk in this. But right there's the well. And right over here is a foundation down in there. It's rocked. It's right down in there, that big dip. It's got a rock wall back here in the back. Let me see if I can get around. We can't see it here. I found Indian head pennies from the 1870s right in here. Yeah, you can see the rock back in here. There's a bunch of multiflora in here. See all the rock down in there. Should get down in there and dig that all out. See what's in there. But I'll get back on my next hunt, folks. Later.